Hello there, knife enthusiast. This is C with Atlantic Knife, and we're going to do a 4 or 5 minute review on the BuckNBear Crocodile folder. Let's go ahead and open it up. Got a few stickers in there and some cards. Our typical silica gel to keep it from rusting. Alright. I always got to open it up right away. Go over our specs real quick. Looks like a good size first of all. It's 8.5 overall. Blade length. It's about 3.5. It is a D2 steel blade. They refer to it as katana style. Typical drop point. Handle material is G10. Has a spacer that incorporates a lanyard hole and a glass break. We like that when they do it all together. It's a nice little knife. It's got a black wash finish and has a titanium coating to prevent it from rusting. It's a liner lock style knife. Has a pretty smooth flipper. It has steel liners. It's tip up carry. Pocket clip is down a little bit, so it's not deep carry, just a standard pocket clip. And its overall weight is about 5 ounces. Make sure you have a good look at it there. It's a nice little knife. Alright, let's get some stuff here and show you how it cuts. We'll start off with some paracord. Cut through it pretty easily. So it cuts on pretty much all parts of the blade. We'll bring some crafting jute over. A little bit of this rope here. Cut that pretty easily. I expected it to. BuckNBear's been making some nice styled knives. They do fixed blades also. But, you know, D2, nice flipper. Overall, I like this knife a lot. Seems to cut well. Has jimping on the top. Not bad. So we'll go ahead and wrap up the BuckNBear Crocodile folder. Let you guys know to follow us on IG at Atlantic Knife. Make sure you hit the like button. And on YouTube, you'll ring the bell, leave us some comments. We'll always try our best to answer those comments, respond to them at least. And check out our weekly show. It's only about 15 to 20 minutes long, and we'll go over the 7, 8 of the newest knives that have come out for that week. Alright, so on that note, we'll wrap this up by saying I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.